like a dream. Yeah, you and me. Can't help but feel so unreal. Stay high with you. Your silhouette makes me forget. All of my fears just disappear when I'm with you. Ooh, ooh. I give you a taste.
Okay, welcome back to DAT Family 5. So today we are doing some heavy, and I mean some heavy cleaning, getting ready for that spring clean. All right, spring will be here quicker than you know it because it's coming next month. And so every spring we start off with the sunroom, right? So we're gonna start off in here. I'm gonna start off in this corner here first, right here. We're gonna start off over here so I can get some things decluttered and out the way that we don't use anymore. Hey you guys, before my ADHD and ADD clicked in, what I was trying to say is it's almost spring. And so as always, we start in our sunroom. So as you see, Douglas was over here on the other corner cleaning and getting started on that side. And then I decided to do this other side. So we are doing major decluttering this year. We're not becoming minimalists, but we are trying to make sure that we have enough space for what we have and to make sure we're able to live fulfilling lives in our house. So yeah, so we double tag team this, and this is part 1. So if you haven't yet, go ahead and click the subscription box down below. That's the red box, and go ahead and click that blue thumbs up saying that you like this video and you want to see more of it. And please make sure that you ring that bell, ding ding, with the parentheses on the side to get all the upcoming notifications and uploads that you will get from us. And then don't forget to comment below, how do you start your spring cleaning? Do you spring clean? Let me know. Y'all have a blessed day, and we'll be back to you at the end of the video. Alright you guys, so as you can see, I am cleaning this cart I've had for a couple years actually. And so this is our supply creative DIY cart. The girls have all their markers, crayons, pencils, notebooks, things like that in there. And I think we're going to start putting Doug's jewelry stuff in it. He wants to make jewelry. So we are making it our creative space. Okay, you will see that I actually shake the cart because it was kind of wiggly and it needed to be tightened. So I tightened all the nuts on it so that it can be properly used.
She wanna know me, I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, I got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down. Town, you should slide on me, keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, know it's all love, know it's all love. I'm feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the loan. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. Honey, I got what you want. Give me all of your love, 'cause it's burning hot. It's what you do to me, babe, I can guarantee. Honey, I got what you need. Under the night sky, I want your eyes all on me. Don't tell me lies now, I always get mine. Don't play with me. Do you want it? Can you feel me? Can you handle it? Right? Do you want it?
We'll be back. We gotta go take care of some parental things, and let me show you how far we gotten within this last hour. They're not happy. All right, so the bench is gone. Cat food, dog food is gonna be here. Hi, Yorkie. Yorkie's down there. We got about to take care of this area when we get back. Doug has moved the television from over here to over there. He's cleaned that wall, and he's cleaned everything that was over there. He moved the couch. We're gonna move the couch somewhere. in this black thing here that's under the Christmas tree are blankets. We're gonna go through those blankets. It's gonna be a different video and figure out which ones we're gonna keep so that the rest of them can get out my house. So we decluttering blankets over 20 years, y'all, 20 years. So yeah. So when we come back, I'm gonna finish this up and hopefully get an area, a couple of those bins good for jewelry stuff. And this is the creative cart. So yeah.
I'm a bad